Welcome to the WION podcast. In this episode, we explore how the USS Abraham Lincoln silently tracks underwater threats using passive sonar stealth helicopters and hidden acoustic networks while operating completely blind in hostile seas. Modern naval strike groups rely on passive underwater surveillance systems to detect submarine threats without exposing their own location. To avoid revealing its exact coordinates to enemy forces, the carrier initiates strict emission control. This protocol orders all escort ships to halt their active sonar pulses, effectively blinding the fleet and forcing the strike group to rely entirely on silent, passive acoustic sensors. Without active sonar, the flagship depends on a carrier strike group spreading across a 300 nautical mile radius. Arleigh Burke-class destroyers and cruisers form a layered acoustic shield around the carrier. These escort ships use highly sensitive underwater microphones to listen for the faint vibrations of hostile submarines. To eliminate interference from their own propulsion systems, destroyers deploy long tactical cables stretching thousands of meters behind their hulls. These towed arrays drag deep beneath the turbulent ocean surface. They passively capture the low-frequency hums of diesel-electric submarines attempting to creep towards the flagship. When strict silence is mandated, MH-60R Seahawk helicopters serve as the primary forward acoustic scouts. These aircraft rapidly drop a network of up to 25 floating passive sonobuoys across the contested maritime perimeter. The buoys silently gather underwater intelligence and securely transmit the acoustic data back to the fleet. The Arabian Sea is a chaotic acoustic environment filled with marine life, tidal shifts, and heavy commercial shipping traffic. Advanced combat systems aboard the escort ships work to filter out nearly 100% of this civilian noise. Highly trained operators isolate specific mechanical frequencies to identify rogue underwater threats. Passive sonar requires immense patience to track slow-moving threats through the deep ocean. Allied nuclear attack submarines often patrol ahead of the strike group to silently ambush enemy vessels. By emitting zero sound energy, the American naval network pinpoints hostile targets without giving away its own tactical position. If a stealthy weapon bypasses the listening network, the carrier deploys the SLQ-25A Nixie torpedo countermeasure. Dragged directly behind the vessel, this defensive decoy generates a louder, entirely false acoustic profile. This critical piece of engineering misdirects incoming strikes, protecting the $6 billion nuclear-powered supercarrier. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.